Hello YouTube, this is LegoCraft78 here with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a machine gun in Minecraft. This works on Xbox and computer. So what you're going to need is a dispenser, redstone repeater, redstone torch, redstone dust, a lever, and a block. So and your ammo. So it can either be fire charges or arrows. So what you're going to want to do is place 3 dispensers like this, a repeater behind each one, and then redstone connecting all of them. Then you go back 2 like this, put a block here and here, put redstone on top, and you put redstone torches right here. This is how to make a pulsar and or machine gun. So you put your lever down and that will turn it on and off. And then to make it double layered, you build up like this. Put 3 and then 3 more dispensers. Put link redstone up to here like that, and there you go. So now you can fill it with ammo, put your ammo in here, and there you go. Arrows don't work as good as fire charges, but I guess if you're shooting close, like close range, or if you're high up, because then the arrows will fall. And now this is how to make it shoot flaming arrows, if you like that. So build a frame around it like this, dig down one, actually up here, sorry about that, cover it like this, like that. Actually, don't cover that or it won't work. So then you grab your lava, put lava like this. That's what I was doing wrong. I knew I was doing something. Sorry about this. Just gotta get rid of this. And there you go. So now it will shoot flaming arrows. Probably help if the dispensers had stuff in them. Sorry about that. There we go. Flaming arrows. And that's how you make a machine gun that shoots flaming arrows or a redstone pulsar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and tell your friends about the channel, and check out the other videos. Thanks. Bye.